Now, every year, Durga Puja attracts millions of people from across the country, that is India. But how does Gen Z see these rituals today? Vion asked young voices what the festival means to them, and their answers reveal just how they blend faith with the changing times. Take a look.
It's more like an art festival, it's a culture festival, not a religious festival. I saw pandal, not here, somewhere else, but they had the mini version of Durgas and that was so cute.
Feast on a lot of non-vegetarian food, which is very different from what the North Indians do.
Well, no Durga Puja celebrations are complete without a visit to CR Park and the beautiful pandals that make CR Park so vibrant and diverse. We are here at one such pandal in CR Park in New Delhi, the Cooperative Cape Block Pandal. Also, this happens to be the pandal's 50th year of celebrations, making it even more special.
This Durga Puja, we asked Gen Z what they believe is the significance of the Durga Puja celebrations.
Every year we have a new theme, today is Shona Kela, last it was more like a Calcutta architectural theme. And it looks quite grand and it's very similar to what the fort looks like.
I'm really happy to share that since digitization and social media coming in so much, and we are little not so tech savvy people, so we have a lot of involvement from the Gen Zs, specifically the cultural program that you can see, some of the most famous bands are performing here. This entire back-end arrangement is, done by the Gen Zs.
Have you been staying in Delhi for some time? Yeah, so in CR Park, again, what are the best rituals that you admire?
Honestly, I have no idea about rituals, but the thing I love about CR Park is puchkas and they are so amazing. I come here for
the food,
the pandals, the vibe, the outfit, the shine and the vibe. Definitely for the vibe.
A lot of people are on their Navratri fast and they only eat vegetarian. But here you come here and host of non-veg dishes. What do you have to say about that?
See, non-veg, Bengalis can't do without non-veg, right? So yeah, you have to capture the non-veg thing here, which, it's just authentic, I would say. But yeah, it's okay. If you have to understand the Bengali culture, you have to eat a little non-veg.